Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making angel shrimp. Alright, I'm starting out in a large skillet. I'm going to add in a little bit of olive oil. Probably about 2 tablespoons. Now I'm going to add in a stick of butter. My butter's frozen, but that's alright. We're going to melt down that butter, and the reason I put the olive oil in is that's going to fortify the butter so it doesn't scorch on us. So I'm going to get this all melted down in there, and it shouldn't take long because I have my skillet nice and warm. Right now that my butter is all melted down, I have 1.5 pounds of peeled into vein shrimp. This was frozen. I thawed it out under lukewarm water. We're going to get that in the butter, and we're going to cook that for about 4 or 5 minutes till it turns nice and pink and it's cooked through. You don't want to overcook it though, because then it'll get rubbery and nasty. So I'm going to go ahead and get this cooked up and make it nice and pink. Alright, now that my shrimp is all cooked and it's nice and pink, I set it aside. I'm going to add in some white wine. I'm going to add in about 1/2 cup. I'm also going to add in a little bit of salt and pepper. Not a lot of salt because the butter has salt in it. We don't want to get too salty. A little bit of pepper. I'm going to add in about a teaspoon of red crushed pepper flakes. Let me grab a spoon over here. Give that a stir. Now I'm going to add in some garlic. I'm using a pre-diced garlic. If you use fresh, use about 4 or 5 cloves. You want a lot of garlic in this. So I'm putting about 4 cloves worth in here. Alright. Stir that in. I'm going to allow that to cook just for a minute till that white wine reduces down just a little bit and the garlic starts to get fragrant and flavor the butter. Right now they allowed that to cook for a minute or so and that's starting to reduce. I'm going to add in some parsley. That's about a teaspoon. This was fresh parsley I used yesterday, and this is leftovers I left dry out. And I'm going to put in some lemon juice. I'm going to put in a juice about 1 lemon. I'm going to turn my heat off at this point because I don't want that to reduce down anymore. Stir that around. Alright, now I have 1 pound of angel hair pasta. I cooked al dente, which was about 4 minutes. I'm going to get that in there mixed in that butter garlic sauce. And you want to blend that around well to get that flavor through your pasta. Alright, now that I have that all blended together, I'm going to add my shrimp back in. You see how beautiful and pink my shrimp is. Just give that a quick stir. This is ready to go, guys. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. I had a little parsley and some grated Parmesan cheese on here. Let me get in here and give this a try. I'm going to start with the pasta. Good buttery, garlicky flavor. You get some of that white wine, a little bit of the red crushed pepper. Let me try some shrimp. Shrimp is tender, not rubbery. Well seasoned. Picked up that butter flavor it cooked in. Guys, that's really delicious. It was really easy. Had it done in no time. Alright, there you have it. Angel shrimp. Thanks for watching and supporting me, and remember, love what you eat and eat what you love.